All right, my people. So welcome back. So right now we're do this porch. It's a round porch. So as you can see,
Oh, we had a drop in one piece, yeah, sir. Where you put the line.
that just a square up. Remember the line there. Yeah. So I'm silent video.
You song can't fix you up with song, man. YouTube never fix you up with song, man. Eh?
A full video.
Eh. Yeah.
Yes, my people. So as me say, we take time to go on. Yeah.
You play?
Yeah, you can chew upon it. Yeah. So round porch. You know, say a whole heap of cuttings, kind of difficult. You know, the cuttings them, but yeah, we'll get it done. As you can see. Yeah, so we just come up with this one, then we take out a little part. Yeah? So we just gonna secure up here so right now. We try to secure up this one then, you know? Yeah. Mixing. As I said, the part come back inside, so you know we can take a whole heap of material. So that we have get out of the way. Yeah. So as you can see. Yeah, so come right round on the front you now. They'll come on the front to trim on it. Just trim them up. Yeah. Yes, my people, so as I say, we take time of one. Yeah. So it's a round porch.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as I can see, the cuttings, decent cutting, come right round. Yeah, so when I come to the front, so now we're going to round it up. We're going to drop and rise up on it. Yeah, so catch out another little part there now and come out. You know, as I say, it kind of take a lot of material but kind of have no fall upon it. So, you know, we have to put fall upon it now. Whole like water run back inside. Yeah. So we take time to go on. You know, whole heap of cuttings. Yeah, the round cutting them, you know, kind of difficult, but our job, so we know it, so we always get it done. Yeah, so as me say, right now we just try to take out that little piece in here, so you know, yeah, get this going. Yes, my people, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job. Yeah, you know, just show your appreciation by giving the video a thumbs up. Yeah, so as me say, try and knock out my corner, yes or no. Yeah. Alright, my people, so right on the corner. Dropping all of the tiling. Just have to look at these on the front. Yeah, so basically after the place finished, as you can see, right around cut them. Yeah, so ready right now. Then mark out the front. So we'll try to get the front end over the cut. Yeah. No trouble with you. Yeah, so this is how we do right now. See if we can get the front cut out. You want to cut off them there? Yeah, so as I say, finish up. No, leave it.
Left it.
Leave it.
You not can't come today, tomorrow, because
I'm here.
yeah, you can't.
Yeah, so as I say, we're right on the try to cut this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna say I try to set up the front now. Get everything dropped in. I know the front are long, so I have to get it. Yeah, so I'm gonna say I know set the front now. Yeah. All you put do something. You have a little brush you make on this. Let me see. Oh, good. So you can get it trim for me too. Yeah, so yeah, this is basically it as me say what we have to do now, grow it up on, you know. Yeah, you can see the round. So alright my people, so right now we'll try to get some grouting done. Yeah, so let's go and run the grouting. Yeah, so as you can see, we get up, clean up, and everything like that. Yeah. So I try to get the grouting out of the way. Time look like rain a go fall. You know, so we want to see if we can get it growth up before the rain come. Yeah, so Toots are going with him thing in the morning, yeah. Yeah, nice and pretty. Yeah, as you can see the round. Yeah, so as I say, I try to get this out of the way. You know, I'm kind of hard into pick them out. Yeah, so as I say, I get some growth in done now, man. Yeah. Yeah, see if we can grow up this place. So, yeah, nice and pretty. Yeah, so as you can see. So alright my people, so right I know, yeah, the porch done grow up and everything. Yeah, complete. Yeah, so this is the way it look like you know. Yeah, so there's a round porch. Yeah, so all of the growth incomplete now. Yeah, so these are the finished product. Yeah, so as I say, everything growth up you know. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell me what you think about the job them, you know. Yeah, we can always reason it out in the comment section. Yeah, so you know, just give the video a thumbs up each time. Yeah. Yes, alright my people, so you don't know it go. You know. Job well done. Yeah. So go head out now. Yeah, so I don't know, I got enough respect to all of the supporters them all the while. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Couldn't do it without, you know. Alright, my people, so you don't know, I go catch up on the next one. Alright.